The two friends spent many happy hours together. But when he was alone, in the dark of his hideout, Alexander thought of Willie with envy. Ah, he sighed, why can't I be a wind-up mouse like Willie and be cuddled and loved? One day Willie told a strange story. I've heard, he whispered mysteriously, that in the garden at the end of the path, close to the blackberry bush, there lives a magic lizard who can change one animal into another. Do you mean, said Alexander, that he could change me into a wind-up mouse like you? That very afternoon, Alexander went into the garden and ran to the end of the path. Lizard, lizard, he whispered. And suddenly there stood before him, full of the colors of flowers and butterflies, a large lizard. Is it true that you could change me into a wind-up mouse? Asked Alexander in a quivering voice.
Daddy, I was lizard.
Yes.
Daddy, I was lizard.
Yeah, lizard. When the moon is round, said the lizard, bring me a
Purple pebble.
purple pebble.